Hi guys, Frank here from Build Your Own, and this is my 1994 Chevy Cheyenne C 1500. The reason why we got the camera on today is because we have new interior dash pieces from LMC Truck. I have a new fuse box cover and steering wheel filler panel. So we're gonna get those installed today. Okay, so here's the missing dash pieces, and these pieces have been missing since I got the truck. So this is the steering column filler panel that's gonna go here, and then obviously here's the fuse box, and so I just got the fuse box cover. So here's all that stuff right here. Let's get this stuff opened up. These are a couple of screws I have left over from yesterday's project when I changed the when I put a new bumper from LMC on my truck. So yes, I put this new bumper from LMC on my truck, and it looks really good. I ended up having to take off the side filler panels. That's why I have those two nuts right there. I had to take that off, and I had to take off the air dam. Why? Because I've got rubbing issues down there. So I'm gonna have to deal with that. I'll put a picture up to how the truck looked when everything was on it, and then I mean, soon as I started driving it, within 2 seconds I got a scrape. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure if I'm gonna change my wheel and tire package, or maybe I might it's got a 4-inch lift on it from rough country right now, and it wouldn't really cost that much more to give it another 2-inch lift, and that might just about give me the clearance with this wheel and tire package. It might be the cheapest alternative to go, and I wouldn't mind lifting it up. The truck looks fantastic. It looks awesome, as a matter of fact. I just put the Grio's G9 Orbital on here. Everything that I'm talking about, the bumper, the side mirrors I just did, the rough country lift, those brand new Vision D window wheels, getting the truck all this shiny. I've done videos on all of those things. I'll put those links in the description below. So yeah, I'm running my mouth because there's just a lot of things to go over. I don't know if you've been following the truck. If you have, thank you. If not, make sure you subscribe. I got a lot more things coming. Matter of fact, I might try to work on this bumper again when the new grill comes. I have a new grill coming from LMC Truck with the new reflector and the front marker lights, so, and a new Chevy emblem and everything. So the whole front end will be new. And so maybe then I'm gonna have to take it halfway apart anyway. It's not that much more work to get in there. I might wrestle with this bumper one more time, see if I can get it to fit better, and maybe I might do some trimming because it's really that air dam piece that was missed, that I took off, that was scraping on the tire, really more on the other side, not so much this side. So, but yeah, let's get into what today's project is though. Okay, so here are our new pieces. I got a little sidetracked there. I've just been doing a lot of work with this truck. I swear I spend more time working on this truck, buying new parts for this truck, than actually driving this truck, but it is what it is, and I still love this truck. At any rate, here is the fuse panel cover, and here's the steering column filler, which looks like it goes together pretty easy. There's a couple of screw holes down there that seem to be right here, and there's another one like right there, and the little grommets are still there. I've already checked them out. So let's get these two things installed and see what it looks like. Okay, I got the steering column filler panel in, and that looks great. Those screws that I borrowed from the other trim piece from the grill, or from the bumper up front, they worked perfectly. I suspected that they would. I did actually order these screws from LMC Truck, but I just thought, oh, I bet you these work, and sure enough, they do. All right, let's put in this fuse box cover too. Wow, the truck is coming along. I have not really done anything in the interior other than wipe it down since I purchased it. But man, so these are really the two first pieces I've purchased for the interior of this truck, if I remember correctly, yeah. Other than my phone holder that holds my phone. Other than that, yeah, this came out oh, that's not true. I bought this, I was missing this pedal cover when I bought the truck, so I bought this from LMC Truck too, this pedal cover for the brake. Yeah, that looks fantastic. The truck is really starting to come along, right? It's been a labor of love, and sometimes this truck has driven me crazy, but I do love it. I do love this truck. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because there's still a lot more we're going to do with this truck. We got a lot more to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video of the interior dash pieces that I got from LMC Truck, if you found the video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, I'm going to tell you to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the very next video. Be sure to check out the other videos I have. I've got the links down in the description below.